There's red one. We've got aileron. Let's go for half flap for takeoff. Half flap. There's me. And there's real me. And there's Fubar Phil and Darren. And I can see Phil as well, just in the corner. I've got the whole gang. Ready when you are.
Before you take your both goggles on and everything.
Yeah.
I'm just going to plug in just to make sure I don't interrupt you, which I don't think I will. I don't think there's any chance of that. So, you're not impacted now?
No, I'm good. Ready for taxi?
Ready for taxi.
Okay, go now.
Bit bumpy.
Okay, turning round. And H post and a bush. Okay. Where's Mr. RC? There he is.
Just coming up on your side. There
Okay,
you
dude.
go.
Give me a nod.
2 seconds. Okay, we've got flaps at half. Check. Nod.
Okay. Timer on, 6.5 minutes. Okie doke. Okay, same as before, okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Locking back. Steady turn. Cruise level. Easing back on power. Flattening off.
6
Gentle right turn.
Very nice.
Colour is
turn.
green. Nice. Sunshine
That
day.
sunset, man.
Look at that. My cockpit, man.
It's shining on the underneath of your
Tickle
plane.
left.
Tickle
Going
left.
round the back just to once. Over the weather pitch. Might keep a little bit more height on this time. Straightening up gently.
Oh, bird strike.
Gentle right. Level up.
All right, feels a bit bumpier up here, Phil, for me. Oh, no, there we go. I think it was just me.
Yeah, it's in my wake again.
Yeah, I think so.
5 minutes.
I do like that sound, that hurry. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Over the patch, keeping on the curved turn. More bank, more turn. Coming back to the corner of the all-weather, levelling up, then going to do a right over this patch, bead on the sun, gentle right.
Oh, that was a
Straight
hard
run.
one to keep up with for some reason.
Gauges are good. I've got to make them work. So bad.
There is a way. Where there's a
little
will,
more power, maintain height,
there's a way.
keep it tight, pulling it back, straightening up now. Tickle left.
I think the real red arrows say that, tickle left.
I'll tickle anything, I'm not fussy. What's your view like, Andy?
It's looking pretty hawky.
Cool.
Nice bit
I love
of
this sun, man. I'm mesmerised.
Was that a reference to Open All Hours there?
Might be.
Granville, fetch your cloth.
I've missed this since, well, how long's it been? Way
3
too long.
minutes.
We just not had the weather for it, have we?
No. So I've stopped calling out what I'm doing. You okay with that?
No.
Okay. Tickle left. Straight run here. Tickle left again. Bank and yank. Steady. Big turn.
No, I lost you there.
Straightening up.
Oh, I've lost you.
Going to do a right over the far patch.
I've
Level
lost
up.
you, so I don't know where you are now.
Bottom of the far right patch, the far left patch.
That's where I am, but I just don't know your height. Looking around to see.
About 150. Banking left. Steady turn.
Okay, so you've just
Oh, yeah, you're on my left. You're catching up now if you
Got you.
Okay. Tickling left,
2
over the
minutes.
patch. Our patch in front of us.
Not a bad rejoin there, AndyRC, if I must say so myself.
Over the all-weather, then straighten up. And straightening up. Straight run to the edge.
No, don't get in his wake. It's a trap.
Tickle right. Tickle right, end of the field. Banking back. Practice, approach, run, tickle left, over the all-weather.
I'm still at 23 volts here, Phil. Just saying. Just set your timer.
1 minute.
Yeah. Because these are a little bit, unknown batteries. Should be okay, but
Yeah.
I don't want to go home with a bin liner full of junk tonight.
You tell me what you're going to be doing.
Straight and level.
Is this your landing approach, yeah?
No, not yet, no. Turn at the bottom of the field. A little bit of power, maintain altitude.
30 seconds.
Back pressure. So when that 30 seconds run out, that's a full 6.5 minutes from takeoff. We should have, by rough calculation, another 2 to 3
seconds.
minutes.
I'm at 23 volts, so yeah.
Right turn over the patch.
10,
This can go for
9,
10 minutes,
8.
easy.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Leveling up, straight
3,
run there.
2, 1.
Sunshine.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Gentle right, side run.
yeah,
Straight to the bottom. Banking right. Back pressure. There he is. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's close. Dear God. I'm not looking back again.
You can look back.
No, I'm looking where I'm going.
Yeah, that's usually a good idea.
So what's the theme to him? Is it like da 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 da?
I have no idea. Probably the national anthem, isn't it,
Cheesy.
with the red arrows? Oh no, not your wake. That's crazy how much.
Right, so this will be the last circuit that I'll think about. I'm going to stretch this out steady, straightening up now. Prepare to lose some altitude.
Are you coming off the throttle? Because it felt like you did.
Only a tickle. Straight side run here.
Oh, the wake, man. That's crazy. Even that far back, yeah.
Leveling up. He's back on power touch, but need enough to make this turn. Bank, yank. Okay, thinking about lining up for approach, so straightening up now, over the all-weather on the left.
You tell me what you're doing when it comes to your flaps and your
Okay,
gear.
doing that now,
Okay,
half flap,
gear.
retracts down.
Is that full?
Left a bit to swing wide. This is going to be tight. Tight bank.
Oh wow,
Power.
you really bring it in tight, huh?
Losing it, losing it. Okay.
You're
Killing
going
power,
round.
killing power. Coming in, coming in.
10 foot.
Oh.
It's down.
Yeah, on that turn there, she's a little too tight, too slow.
Yeah, I lost you there. Well,
Too much talking, not enough thinking and planning.
I really should come in for a landing myself. Gear is down. We're at 22 volts.
Yeah, same as what happened with Andy when he came in hard. The front retract flap has come unstuck.
Whatever happened then, I just completely lost video. Coming in for a landing. Video just froze on me, and then probably because Phil was right next to me, I'd imagine.